Hello, I'm Mohammed Imam, Senior Director of Product Management at Cisco. As you know, we just announced the C9610 Smart Switch at Cisco Live San Diego, and I'm excited to show you what you will find as you open this big box. Cisco C9610 Smart Switch is the next generation modular core device designed to address campus switching with highest port density and exceptional performance, offering up to 51 terabits per second. It is designed to power the modern AI-era campus networks. These switches support high density of 25 gig and 100 gig, and they are ready for 400 gig. So if you have one of those Catalyst 6500s or 6800s with a lot of ports, or even if Nexus 7700 in your setup, this is your ideal next step. The C9610 is the right solution for campus core networks, providing you with up to 448 ports of 25 gig in SFP form factors, and 256 ports of 100 gig in QSFP form factor. And guess what? You're future-proofed for high density of 400 gig ports on this box. Now let me show you a few things in this big chassis. This is an 18RU system with dual supervisors, 2 supervisors here, and 8 line card slots. One of the things that we always need in a core switch is high availability and resiliency. We have built this device ground up for high availability. Every component of this chassis has redundancy embedded in the design, where if one of the components fail, there is a backup available to take over, giving our customers maximum uptime. It comes with 8 titanium-rated modular power supplies with N+N redundancy. This is one of the power supplies, titanium-rated, and you can put these power supplies in an N+N redundancy. It also comes with 4 fan trays in the back of the chassis, equipped with temperature sensors and dynamic speed control to keep the system really nice and cool. Let me show you one of them. This is a fan tray. It comes with 6 fans on them, and these are all hot swappable, which means that you can swap it if it fails and replace it with a new fan tray. Now, the fans and the power supplies, they are all hot swappable. Now, let's talk about the most important component in this chassis, and that is the supervisor. So let me show you one of these here. This is a 2RU supervisor, pretty big. It comes with 4 ASICs embedded in them. The ASIC that we are using in this box is a Silicon One ASIC. It's a new Silicon One ASIC. It's called K100. This is one of the most advanced ASICs for the campus networks. Highly scalable, can support up to 2 million routes, really large buffers, and comes with advanced VOQ architecture. Dual SUBs give you the capability to upgrade the switch with no downtime, using features like in-service software upgrade or ISSU. 9610 also support stack-wise virtual, which will give you the active and standby redundancy in the network design to get maximum uptime. The chassis comes with some native line cards. However, if you are thinking that you have invested in the Catalyst 9606 and would like to use or repurpose the line cards from the existing 9606, you can actually do that. This chassis supports most of the line cards that we have on 9606. Let me show you a couple of line cards. This is a 100 gig line card, 32 ports. This is a native line card on the 9610. Let me show you one of the line cards that is from 9606 and can go in this chassis as well. This line card is a Catalyst 9606 line card. It's a 32 ports, 100 gig, and it can go in this chassis as well. Now, this device also comes with many advanced security features like post-quantum cryptography and compensating controls to protect against some of the latest attacks. For example, Harvest Now, Decrypt Later. It is built with secure boot and operating system validation to protect against device tampering. And with compensating control, you can update this system to address the new vulnerabilities without any downtime. Let's zoom back out for a moment and talk about sustainability. The chassis is built with sustainability principles and is built with sustainable hardware and really smart software to optimize on power with the smart power features and reduce your operational cost. Everything we do is built on principles of circular engineering. To wrap it up, this device is highly scalable with amazing performance of up to 51 terabits per second, highly available and resilient, embedded with advanced security mechanisms, and built with a smart intelligence. It is going to be a critical part of your core infrastructure. To learn more about C9610 and how it could power your campus, check out the data sheets and demos at cisco.com.